Okay, everybody, welcome to Music Math. Put the guitar down. I'll be right with you for today's lesson. Okay, today is lesson 1.6, add whole numbers. Our essential question is, how can you add whole numbers? Page 37, unlock the problem. Alaska is the largest state in the United States by area. Its land area is 570,374 square miles, and its water surface area is 86,051 square miles. Find the total area of Alaska. Okay, look to the right. We have our little blue rectangular box again with some bullets, and the first one says, underline what you are asked to find. Once again, that's the last sentence, and it tells you right there, find the total area of Alaska. So we should underline that. And then it says, circle the information that you will use. We're going to circle the numbers, okay? 570,374 square miles and 86,051 square miles, okay? Now we're going to find the sum. And remember, that's what we call it when we add two numbers, we get the sum, or add any amount of numbers, we get what's called the sum. Okay, so think before you do it. It is important to line up the addends by place value when adding two numbers. And we call each number an addend. Okay, so the two numbers that we're adding are called addends. Very important to line up the place value. Comma is the easiest way to do it, okay? So in step one, first we add the ones. And I'm going to go over to the board behind me and show you as soon as I'm done reading the steps for you. Okay, so we're going to add the ones. And we're going to add the tens. We're going to regroup, okay? So let me show you on the board what we're going to do first. Step one. Here's our problem. Okay, everybody see it? There it is. And in step one, we add the ones. Right here, if you notice, we're going to add 4 and 1, and we get 5. Then we're going to add the tens. We have a 7 and a 5, which gives us 12. So we put a 2 down here, and then we regroup one of the tens, or I like to say we carry it over. So remember, 7 plus 5 is 12, but we only put a 2 down here because there's only one digit per place value. We carry or regroup the other one, okay? Now back to step 2. So actually it says 12 tens equals 102 tens, okay? Now step 2, add the hundreds. And then we're going to add the thousands. So let's go back to the board. Step 2, there we are. Add the hundreds. 3 and 0 is 3, but don't forget, we regrouped the 1 here. So it's 1 plus 3, which gives us 4. And then when we look at our thousands, we have a 0 and a 6, which equals 6. Don't forget to bring your comma down, okay? And that's step 2. Now in step 3, we're going to add the 10,000s and regroup. Okay, so here's our 10,000s. Here they are. 7 plus 8 is 15. We bring down the 5, we regroup the 1. Okay? Bring down your 5, regroup your 1. So basically 100,000s, 5 10,000s. Okay? Step 4, we're going to finally add the 100,000s. We go over here. We have our 1 that we regrouped. We have 5, add the 2, bring it down, and there is your final answer, 656,425. Most important thing, if you notice, keep the commas lined up. Now, if you see here, I drew lines, columns actually, lining up the place values. If you want to do that, that's an easy way to make sure you don't mess up the place values. Draw a line, keep the ones lined up. Line up the tens, line up the hundreds, the thousands, the 10,000s, and then of course the 100,000s. Drawing those little lines can sometimes really help you out and prevent you from making a mistake. Okay? Anytime you add, if you remember these few hints here, this will definitely help you out. Okay? Hope that made it easier for you, and we'll be back again with another lesson before you know it.